Are there consequences for waiting too long to be treated for an injury? Attorney Jason Kessler says, yes, there would be consequences, which is why people should not wait too long to get medical treatment. There was recently a trial that resulted in a much larger verdict than expected. The case involved a Middle Eastern woman who was, and in fact still is, a drug counselor. She was in pain, but since she was a very tough lady, she actually waited 2 or 3 weeks to get treatment. At the trial, her significant other talked about the pain she was in, and that she waited till the pain in her neck was so bad she could not even hold a cup. He said every time she touched something, it was like an electric shock was going through her body. When she finally went to a hospital, they sent her to an orthopedist, and they scheduled her for surgery soon afterwards. This case actually had to be taken to trial, and the big argument on the part of the defendant was how her injuries could be related to her accident because she had waited 2 or 3 weeks before seeking treatment. The jury understood what kind of woman she was, and they understood the fact that she was the kind of person who worked and who was not a complainer. She came off very well and was very convincing to the jury. During the trial, the attorney managed to relay to the jury that sometimes when someone is in pain, they would take over-the-counter medications, long baths, or would try anything they could to avoid going to the doctor. In this case, the lady had a very serious injury, and she had to go to the emergency room 3 weeks later, and they sent her to the doctor immediately. The case probably would not have needed to be tried if she had gone to the emergency room immediately, which is one of the big arguments on the part of the defense counsel. For a free phone consultation, contact attorney Jason Kessler in White Plains, New York at 914-220-1088 or visit his website at www.kesslerlawyer.com.